So tonight it decided to do a little bit of a rain. So there is just a slight ice layer. You probably can't pick it up, but we are going to be going out and salting. I'm here to get some salt. Got the forklift warming up, so we're gonna grab one of these pallets of salt, toss it over here in the back of the truck, and we will be on our way. So I will bring you guys along so that you guys see what we do. All right, let's get to it. All right, guys, so we got the salt in the back of the truck. I am going to close this shop up and we'll be on our way. So the next time you'll see me is in about 2 seconds when I am spreading this salt out. So I'll see you in a second. All right, guys, so we are at our first property. It is definitely slick out. You probably can't even tell, but it is very slick out. I don't know if the lighting's good enough or not, but I use a Snow X. I think it's like the 575. I've rebuilt this a couple times, put a new motor on it, new gearbox, new spinner, but thing works great. I love the swing away arm. Yeah, it's probably too dark out here to see it, but this is what I use, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, we're gonna get some salt loaded up here and get a little salting done. All right, here we go. First one done. See if you can see it. There's good coverage here. I think it looks really good. So yeah, on to the next. Alright guys, so that's gonna conclude this video. I thank you for watching. Be safe out there, and I will catch you guys in the next one.